right? In that case, Pu-239 would be the fuel, and thorium-233
will be the
that is the
next.
in our country there is a vast source of thorium-233. The blanket would be there, and now the thorium-232 will get converted into the uranium-233, right? That uranium-233 would be the fuel of our third generation
reactors,
which have not yet come, right? Okay.
So we can hold that whatever is byproduct of the first and second generation, we can still accumulate and until we come to that stage of third.
Sir, actually, to start second generation reactor,
we
have sufficient amount of the
fuel from the first generation.
Yes.
And likewise, when we go for third, we will be having sufficient.
Yes, after successful completion of the operation of the second generation, we will
have enough fuel for the third generation.
Sir, this is about the high level waste. High level waste, but that is spent. Now, there is a low level waste or intermediate level waste, somewhat kind of that would be also generated, right? Sir, for that, what we are doing, we have the near surface disposal facility. Okay. For the near surface disposal facility will be constructed for the 300 years. Actually, by our analysis, we have come to our conclusion that the most substances like they have the half-life of 30 years. Sir, what is the half-life? About the compound will get decay and after at what time it will come into half. So sir, it was widely seen after 10 half-life, the compound will get diminished somehow.
So 300 is 10 times of the 30.
Yes, sir. But means if you take 10 half-life of any substance, it will completely wipe off. So then, sir, we have constructed 300 years near surface disposal facility, and we have made tile holes, and these substances will get into that tile hole, and after 300 years, the near surface disposal facility will be open for the normal public. Means we are just
until then we might also come to some other research which will blanket it or fasten the
actually, sir, the R&D is going on, but at present scenario,
this is today's plan. This is today's plan. And it is futuristic.
Yes.
This plan is also.
This is a completely full management of waste, which I told you. All kind of.
So nice of you. So beautifully explained. But I don't have student. I would love to have my students here. They are not here. I came.
Sir, will you give some comment for...
Definitely.